Hi, good day guys. My name is Alex with tips and tricks on LG's home entertainment within South Africa. Today, we're taking a closer look at the LG XL5S XBOOM speaker, a portable powerhouse that will bring the party no matter where you go. We'll be covering everything from its sleek design, its impressive sound output, its battery performance, as well as portability. Let's dive in. The XL5S features a modern design with a substantial presence that makes a statement without overwhelming your space. It also has a solid feel to it that speaks to the quality build that the XL5S comes with. The XL5S comes with a premium black finish with a diamond crossing pattern around it, adding quality to its look with an XBOOM logo both present on the left and right, adding that little red to it, bringing an atmosphere to your party. The standout design comes with its multicolor ring lighting that covers the woofer unit. It isn't just for show, it also syncs through to your music to create an immersive experience. And if you want to add in two strobe lights, you can do that. But if you want a third extra strobe light to add more to your party environment, you can use your phone's flashlight that will also synchronize with the two strobe lights that come through with the XL5S. Honestly, its sound is impressive. It's packed with a 6.5-inch woofer unit complemented by two tweeters over here, delivering an impressive 200 watts of audio. This will surely be able to fill up mid to large rooms as well as outdoor spaces while still listening to maximum volume with no distortion. The sound quality is punchy, it's clear, and you get to enjoy any genre of music with the LG XL5S. We also do have a dynamic bass optimizer, which means that when we reduce the volume, the bass can still sound punchy. Quite fantastic coming out from LG with the XBOOM XL5S. When it comes down to the features of the XL5S, it will enhance its versatility, starting with its connectivity options. For wireless connection to the XL5S, you do have a Bluetooth version 5.1. This will allow you to seamlessly connect to the device, and if there is multiple users looking to connect, you can do that as well. On top of everything, it does have a USB input, so if you have a flash drive with music files on it, you can definitely listen to it. For your karaoke nights, it does have a mic and guitar input with separate knob gains to control the volume output from those equipments. So it's not just a music speaker, but it is a complete entertainment system. The XL5S also comes through with a wireless party link. There are two modes to this that will allow you to synchronize audio from one XBOOM party speaker to another XBOOM party speaker. The first mode is going to be stereo, which allows you to connect two XL5S together to create a more dynamic left and right audio output for movies, or if you just want to have a more immersive listening experience. But there is also a multi-mode. This will allow you to be compatible not only to the XL5S, but as well as an XL7 and XL9, and you can connect up to 10 to synchronize the audio, perfect for larger audiences where you would need a wider coverage of a sound. The LG XL5S comes compatible with the LG XBOOM app. The XBOOM app is available on iOS and the Google Play Store. It allows you to change the EQ settings as well as customize the color of your multi-ring lighting around the woofer unit. It also allows you to enable the features like wireless party link, so you can go stereo and multi-mode like I've explained. All of this, the LG XBOOM app gives to you is a personalized party speaker for your environment. And lastly, it comes packed with the IPX4 water resistance feature that allows you to not worry about light raindrops or splashes around the pool, making this perfect for indoors and as well as outdoors. Let's talk about the battery, because that is probably a key performance around a portable party speaker. It does pack 12 hours of playtime with only 3.5 hours to fully charge, making this fantastic for long duration trips, outdoor events, and as well as everyday listening without having to rely on a plug and play. To sum it all up, The XL5S XBOOM Party speaker hits all the right notes for a Bluetooth portable speaker in this category. It does have 200 watts of audio output with an impressive long-lasting 12 hours of battery playtime, whilst delivering features like karaoke with its mic and guitar input, and also a wireless party link to expand the audio output that it has to offer. Guys, all of these offer a great value if you're looking to upgrade your audio listening environment. Make sure you guys click the link down below in the description if you want to go to a landing page to purchase the LG XL5S. Guys, thank you so much for making it all the way to the final end of the video. And if you did enjoy this video, a like and subscribe will be highly appreciated. And if you have furthermore questions regarding the XBOOM XL5S or any LG home entertainment system, then make sure to leave a question down below in the comment section and I'll make sure to get to you as soon as possible. But guys, as always, stay good until the next one.